Hey folks, today we are gonna learn how to paint this cute little cupcake under 10 minutes. So grab your paper, colors, iPad or graphic tablets and let's dive in. We are going to start by doodling the loose sketch of the cupcake. Now having some reference images by your side is a plus, but don't ever let it paralyze your imagination. Your cupcake is yours to shape, so feel free to make it however you feel like. After having a loose sketch of our idea, now we need to have a clean outline, and for that decrease down the opacity of your sketch layer and create a new layer above it. Choose any good brush for inking. Here I'm also going to use the symmetry tool to create a symmetrical cup, but make sure that you turn off the symmetry right after creating the outline for the cup, because other than the cup everything else is asymmetrical and organic. Also try to have variety in your line weights because it will add visual interest in your art. Now sprinkle some colorful sweets on the top of the melted chocolate and cookies. By the way, our cup looks so flat, so I'm gonna add some lines to indicate the texture. Now let's jump on to the coloring part. Make a new layer, name it as cup, and choose a suitable color for your cup and start filling it. Now repeat the same for all the other elements. Congratulations guys, you are halfway through the process. Now we need to have a background for our cupcake, so try some different color variations and see which one suits the best. I also added a little gradient to it so that my background doesn't look so flat. Now we also need to create a shadow for our cupcake. For that I use this elliptical shape tool, then fill it with a color little darker than the background. Now create a new layer for light and shadow and clip it to your cups layer. For the shadows, pick a color which is slightly darker, warmer and saturated than the original color and start painting the shadows. Make sure that you're using a soft round brush to paint the shadows to get smoother strokes. Now for the highlights, pick a color which is slightly lighter, cooler and less saturated than the original color of your cup and start filling the areas right opposite of the shadows. Now repeat the same for all the other elements. Just be careful when you'll be painting the melted chocolates and cherries because you'll need to put extra highlights on them to indicate glossiness.
So that's it for today's video. Please drop something in the comment box below and let the YouTube algorithm know that it was a useful video. I will see you all next week with the donut painting tutorial. Till then, take care and keep creating.